Hello guys, welcome to lesson 17. This is the part 2 of major chord formation. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let us grow together. Thank you so much. We're starting with our C major. We now want to form our C major chord. This is the C major or D flat. So the first formula requires the root note plus the third note plus the fifth note of its scale degree. So the first formula requires us to play or to know the major scale. So this is our major scale. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this formula we are required to get our number 1, our number 3, our number 5. That's our C sharp major or D flat major. We have our C sharp, we have our F and G sharp. Or in other words, D flat, F and A flat. The second formula says root note plus major third plus minor third, right? So this is the root note. We count 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. So that's our major chord. That's our D flat major chord or C sharp. C sharp is also called D flat. So we have D flat, F sharp. We have D flat, F and A flat. Let's go to D sharp or E flat. So our first formula requires us to play the major scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this formula we are required to know our number 1, 3 and 5. This is our D sharp major or E flat major. The second formula, from here we count 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. From our second note we count 3 half steps. This is the first one, the second and the third one. There we have our E flat major or D sharp major. So we have D sharp, G and A sharp. Go to F sharp, the most common key. So the first formula requires us to know the major scale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you got to know number 1, 3 and 5. That's our F sharp major chord or G flat major chord. That's our F sharp major chord or G flat major. The second formula says from the root note we count 4 half steps. So 4 steps will be, this is the first one, the second and third and the fourth. So from the second we count another 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. So that's our F sharp major chord or G flat. So we have our F sharp, we have our A sharp and C sharp. Let's go to G sharp or A flat. The first formula requires to play. The first formula we must know the major scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our 1, this is our 3, this is our 5. The second formula says from our root note we count 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. From a second note we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. There we have our G sharp major, or A flat. So we have G sharp, C, and D sharp. We go to our A sharp or B flat. So the first formula, we play the major scale first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our formula 1 requires us to know the first, the root note, the third note, and the fifth note. There we have our A sharp major or B flat major. The second formula now, this is our root note. So we count 4 half steps first. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Then we count 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3. There we have our A major chord, whereby we have A sharp, D, and F. Thank you so much for following through. If you have any question, any song you want me to play, you can just request there in the comment section. I'll get back to you. God bless you.